Hello, happy and blissful and happy islands. I'm looking at what we call this. I don't know what you call this in English, but I call this like a magnet for the fridge. I think that's it. Sorry for the background noise. So this is Atimel when she was like a few years younger. And as you can see, she collected a fridge magnet. It is a representation of the places where she went. So it seems to be that she visited Colorado, Denver. Caleb, wait. What do you need?
I want a video for my hair.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi.
The video is running, so say something.
Hi. Welcome to my hair that I brush it. So today I'm brushing it.
Oh, you're brushing your hair.
Yeah.
So what kind of hairstyle is that?
It's called a Rockstar.
A Rockstar hairstyle? Show it to us, come on. It should be like this. Come on, let me show it to you.
Okay.
A Rockstar hairstyle.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Atimel. Okay. So going back. So these are the places that she visited. So she went to North Carolina, Atlantic City, Hollywood,
This one.
Japan.
No, they're fighting.
No, it's a sumo wrestlers.
Yeah.
So Canada, Jersey.
Jesse
Here she
again.
is. New York. And
New York.
and Niagara Falls.
New York.
New York. And Great Sand Dunes. Washington DC. Top of the Rock observation deck. 9/11 Memorial. There's a lot. I think it seems to be like she's actually enjoying visiting places, different state of the United States.
Ooh, look at this.
I want to do this too. I want to do this. I want to do the same thing, Caleb. What do you think?
Maybe you can do it. Maybe you can do it. Of height or lower height, or short height, or a big slide.
Seriously? Okay. So let's go back now to your hairstyle.
Yeah.
So it should be like this. If you want to be a rock star hairstyle, it should be like this. Wait a minute. It's almost finished, okay? This is a rock star hairstyle. Wow, you look like a boy band. Look.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wait.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I said stay there.
Okay.
No.
Wow. That's so cool, Caleb. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Say
Goodbye. Tomorrow again.
okay, bye.
Bye.
That's all for now. Happy and blissful and happy islands. Good night.